Hi there, students. To pertain. To belong to. Notice to pertain to is a verb, normally with the preposition to. To belong to be part of, to relate to, or to refer to. So you could formally say, to whom does this pertain? But I think we use pertain more commonly, to pertain to relate to have a connection with. So the laws pertaining to the construction of new buildings, the properties of this kind of food as they pertain to health, talking about the field of health, are still in dispute. Okay, so to pertain, evidence that pertains to this trial. Do you have skills that pertain to medicine? Yeah. These are issues that pertain to men. They have reference to, they have relevance to, they're related to. Or to be appropriate, we need to make a product that pertains to the real needs of users. Yeah, or to belong to be part of. These pieces pertain to the wheels that go underneath the table. Yeah. These bits, which of these categories does this pertain to belong to be part of? Okay, do you pertain to a large family? We talked about the problems of society and other matters pertaining to them, relevant to them, related to them. Yeah, so to pertain, to be part of, to be applicable to. Which rule pertains? Do you have any books pertaining to birds? Okay, so to pertain, but also just to have, to belong to. These ingredients pertain to the recipe I'm going to make. This car pertains to the company, is not actually my car. Okay, books pertaining to the country's history. The environment pertains to all of us. It belongs to all of us. Yeah, the green places should not pertain to a single individual, but should pertain to society in general. Okay, so to be part of, to be relevant to be related to. Okay. So how formal is this verb to pertain? I think I'd probably give it a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. It sounds old-fashioned and it sounds really quite formal. To belong to be part of more informally. To pertain is a regular verb. This pertained to my grandfather. This object has pertained to my family for many, many years. And then the origin, comes through French, partenir, which itself comes from Latin, pertineo, meaning to belong to. We've got per, I think, through, and teneo, I hold. So to hold through, to belong to. Okay, so to pertain. Yes, this is another video that will pertain to my channel in the near future. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Pertain.